This video will explain how to disassemble a CVS disposable camera. Do not touch the flash control. It can cause a shocking hazard. Now we will start disassembling the camera. First, take the paper cover off. And now we want to take the battery out. This will eliminate the electrical hazard. Now we can start taking the outer case off. The following places have clips that need to be pried apart to open the camera. The next couple places are where the camera has been melted together. They will pop as you open the camera and will require a little more force. We will start by loosening the clips on the right side of the camera. First the bottom, then the upper one. As you can see, we popped the camera where it was melted together. And now we'll go for the upper clip. Once that is apart, the camera comes apart pretty quickly, pretty easily. Work at the left side of the camera now, undoing the two clips, and the front of the camera should pull right off. Do not touch the circuit board, as it could still contain a shocking hazard. When you take the front of the camera off, the lens comes off also. This is where it goes. To be safe, it will discharge the circuit board of the camera. There are two ways to do this. The easiest way is to look for the black cylindrical piece on the back of the circuit board, which has two wires coming out of it. Take a screwdriver with a rubber handle and touch these two leads at the same time. This will discharge the flash. Now we will take the circuit board out of the camera. There are two clips that are holding this in as shown. This is the capacitor, and these are the two leads that you want to touch to discharge the circuit board. Now we will take the backing off the camera. There are clips in the following places. Undo the clips as shown. Then pull the backing off and down away from the camera. This will take a little extra force too, because the two bottom flaps have been melted to the camera. Now take the film out as shown. At this point the film is no good, as it has been exposed to the light. Now we will take off the top plastic clear piece. There are two clips. Undo them as shown and take this piece off. The two lenses as shown slide vertically out of their holders. Now lift the film count wheel off, as so. Next, tilt the film advance wheel and pull it out also. Now lift the camshaft out. Then the upper lever. Then the spring. And finally the lower lever. Now the camera is disassembled to the point at which we want.